Before installing the hand-stitched steering wheel, double-sided tape needs to be applied at the 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock positions, on both the front and back of the steering wheel as fixing points. Next, peel off the double-sided tape, and put on the hand-stitched steering wheel cover. Compare the good position. Please patiently watch the first hand sewing step. Now it comes to the sewing stage. As for the thread, sew one section and pull 3 times for this length. For the first stitch, directly pass through the hand-sewn leather. Tie a knot at the thin end of the thread. Do not sew straight through. The first stitch directly pierces the hand-stitched leather. Just loop around once or twice. There are 2 methods for hand stitching. You can cross over by skipping 1 stitch, or stitch through every square. If you stitch by skipping 1 space, at the turning point, sew every stitch at each seam, until the seam passes the corner. The tension when hand-pulling the thread does not need to be very strong. Moderate is fine. Pulling too tight will cause the joint on both sides to lift up. The remaining seams on both sides that need to be sewn. Follow this operation when encountered. The end of the hand stitching is the same as the method of sewing the first stitch by hand. At the end, just pass through the hand-stitched leather directly. Then tie a knot, to prevent the hand-sewn thread from coming undone. Please watch this hand-stitching tutorial patiently. The hand-stitched steering wheel has been sewn at all positions. Now it has come to the final edge stuffing step. Edge stuffing is relatively difficult to stuff. Use a pry board to stuff it bit by bit. When stuffing the edges, the original car square steering wheel also has a direction for edge stuffing. You can use a pry board to first test the square steering wheel gap. Look at which direction the gap is facing. Then proceed to tuck the edges. The back of the steering wheel is also relatively hard to tuck. Please do not rush during this step. For the back, you can also skip tucking the edges. Just apply double-sided tape directly, because it does not affect the feel or appearance. If you did not see clearly, you can watch repeatedly. Please watch each step carefully and patiently, to avoid improper operation.